What's going on, everyone? Today's painting is called The Harvest. This is one actually I wasn't sure if I was going to post or not. The painting itself didn't turn out how I wanted to at all, or how I originally imagined it, but hey, that seems to be the nature of the beast with this sort of thing. The painting itself I made a couple mistakes on, and I'm assuming these are the mistakes I made. I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to try it again, but I don't want to try it again because I don't want to have, it's one of those things. Anyways. First thing I made a mistake on was the colors I picked, I believe. I picked colors that I thought would look cool, but they're opposite of each other on the color wheel. So in the end, because I made the paint too thin as well, which would be the second issue, it kind of turned into like a mud brown. Like gross, muddy in some spots. So I suggest, for anyone out there, just pick colors that are different or closer to each other on the color wheel, not straight across, basically. And if you're going to pick straight across, maybe let one dry and then do the other one and kind of do it like in a layered method. I'm not sure how that would turn out perfectly, but you could probably thicken up the paint a little bit too so they don't phase through each other. Next thing would be, I used a dark background. I painted the canvas gray because I wanted to give it this cool like stripe look, and I think it just made it worse. The way I originally thought this painting would look is completely different than what it actually does. But, you win some, you lose some. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of it being made. We did a double flip cup because I messed up the amount of paint I needed in the beginning. I don't know. But anyways, enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you guys again next time. See ya. If you guys could, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace. Thanks for watching, and as always, we love to hear everyone's feedback on the art, so please comment. It could be what you see in the art or even ideas for a next piece. Also, if I get something wrong, let me know. I'm here to learn and to get better, so suggestions and opinions are welcome. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the week, and for those celebrating a holiday, have a great time.